Quiet na.
Sternohyoid. Then,
Huwag kang bumigay ha.
sternothyroid.
Oh my God, pa tayo
Then, thyrohyoid, cricothyroid, thyroid gland.
Saan yung sternothyroid?
Sternothyroid. Then, this one is superior belly of omohyoid. Then, this one is anterior belly of digastric. This one is intermediate tendon. This one is posterior belly of digastric. This one is stylohyoid. This one is mylohyoid. As well as this one, hylohyoid. Then, submandibular gland. Then, this one is SCM. External to that is external jugular vein. Then, platysma. Then, next is this one is common carotid artery. This one is internal jugular vein. Internal to both is the vagus nerve. Vagus nerve. And this one is this phrenic nerve. This one, brachial plexus. Anterior to brachial plexus is anterior scalenus. This one, scalenus medius. Then, posterior scalenus. Then, levator scapulae. This one is splenius capitis. Next, ano pa ba tayo nakalimutan? Yun lang guys, no? Ah, there you go. Yan.